Alright, we're going to work on the Bombardier today. Changing the carburetor out. It's got an old Varijet too. Not exactly the thing. And then, so this is the EGR base. So I took it and I drilled it and tapped it for this Mr. Gasket adapter. And that is going to take this Chinese Amazon copy of a Holly 350 2-barrel. So let's see what we can do here to get it installed. Scrape the old gasket off of the bottom of this EGR carburetor base. Alright, put a little bit of ultra gray on it. Don't need a lot, just a little skim coat. Okay, we got that done. Two. metric. This is a 2.5 liter Pontiac Iron Duke with a 700R transmission. So 81, half metric, half imperial. Not a lot of room to swing these big long wrenches. Just taking her time. Snug it up. Alright, so we got the carburetor base, the original carburetor base for the Rochester Varijet 2, which got this EGR. Well, it did have a vacuum actuator there. So we're going to put the Mr. Gasket Rochester to two barrel Rochester to 2-barrel Holly on. So it's got the mounting holes here, and then these bolts are for the carburetor. So you got to install them at the same time. All right. So this EGR carburetor, original carburetor base, the Mr. Gasket did not fit this. I had to drill and tap it, which is not a big deal. A little blue Loctite on these bolts. I had to use socket heads because there's no way I couldn't tighten. If I put a hex head bolt like it's designed for, there's no way to get underneath and do it up. So I changed to the socket heads, which will be fine. This one is much shorter. There's no clearance to inside the original carburetor base for it. And these are M8s. Yes, they're M8s. There we go. Let's go over here. Just take our time, get everything right. Have a little bit of shadowing here, but very just on the larger bore. Actually, I think I'll just get this. I just grabbed a socket. Makes it a lot easier. Okay. So then I'm going to, this is a phenolic spacer. It's going on to there. And then carburetor. You know, I have clearance for the choke, which I would not have if I didn't use that spacer. Carburetor. Oh, that's not good. Can't see. I gotta get up here too. There we go. Damn it. Nope. All right, there's a new carburetor installed. I had to notch the air cleaner filter for the choke arm. There we go. Let's see how that closes. Looks good. Yeah, Bombardier on snow tracks. Don't mind the shop, it's not mine yet. I don't get to clean it up until it's mine. There's a lot of work to be done in here. I think it'll be a pretty cool machine when it's all done. All right. See you guys next time.